Welcome to another episode of NQA Crispy Conversations. Today feels less like an interview and more like catching up over coffee with someone I've always admired. My guest is not only a brilliant lawyer and an outstanding teacher, MCLE lecturer, and law dean, she's also a dear friend whose quiet strength, humility, and admirable principles have inspired so many people, including me. She's one of those rare leaders who does not have to remind you what integrity looks like because she lives it every single day. And if you've ever wondered what it truly means to be embodying this motto, integrity first, excellence always, honor forever, you don't have to look any further than our guest today. So, I'm truly happy to share this conversation with the one and the only Dean Rodora P. Law. Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of NQA Crispy Conversations. I am very glad, and it is my deep joy to introduce our guest of honor for today, my good friend and the current Dean of the University of St. LaSalle College of Law, Dean Rodora Law. Yay! Dean, thank you very much for making time. We're so happy you're here.
Well, of course, it's Attorney Nea who is asking me, who am I to say no?
Oh, diba? Actually,
yeah, I didn't even think for like 1 second. The yes came out. Just as
na-happy, gid ko din kay kabalo, gid ko kung ano kakasako.
Mm-hmm.
So, thank you. Actually, Saturdays and Sundays, very, ginaya, it's a gem for the busy, but si Dean Law is here with us para makachika ta siya sa another episode of Crispy Conversations. So far away, gito yun dayon, akay para garagumo, gidya so good pa lang. Din, ready ka na din.
I was born ready.
Yes,
I was
diba?
usually say that, no? I was born ready.
So, actually, Dean, ang amon, subong nga daw, gusto man namon bala mag-contribute sa meaningful content sa social media. So, we want to feature local heroes and show them your human side. So, di ba, may human side, no?
The hero is, question mark, the human side.
We
It's
have
all...
a lot of good personalities here, and ako I'm very glad nga ang mga guest ay mga miga tagid, no? So, sige, number one crispy question. Dean Law, before becoming a law dean, who were you when nobody was watching? Wala, may galantaw.
My answer to that is there really a time when no one is watching?
Diba?
Everybody is always watching.
Magnifying glass.
But to answer that question, whether anybody was watching then, before I was law dean, or now that I am law dean, I am exactly the same person I was. And ang naglain lang guro sa akon sang una, kagsubong I'm more active on social media because the leadership position calls for it. But as far as everything else, before and now, it's exactly the same, Attorney Nea.
Amo ginayang importante, no, whether may ara ka bala camera or not, genuine ka dapat sa imo nga lawas. Kag kilala mo gid dapat who you are.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, ang imo upod, imo gid nga genuine self.
Yes,
Diba,
Attorney
Dean,
Nea.
no?
The thing na realize ko man is, it's not, ang word subong uso daan is, it's so performative. Kumbaga, you just do it for the audience when there is an audience.
Why pa kuno ya din ka batik?
You know.
Amo ng mga young.
Yes.
That's what they say. It's so performative.
Yeah, performative is when like you do something for the sake of performance.
Ay, amo.
And performance would always involve an audience. So kung wala tao lein, kung may tao, that's just merely performance, not the genuine side.
So na-learn ta na subong, it's so performative para do kuno abi do millennial pamanta di ba din? I think millennial. Millennial pa ta din, I think.
No, I'm much older than you.
Hindi lang gid. Hindi na ta mag-compute kasi karon mabuking pa ta. Sige din, another question? What's one thing your students think they know about you but they're completely wrong?
Well,
Feeling lang nila.
feeling nila, I am the person, yung madagyang lang nila. Well, how?
Madagyang.
Ma'am, sila nga, ha? Wala na kami klase. Si Amo, ma-miss na mo ng dagyang. Because I would always make jokes in class. I always try to be funny in class. And I am the kind of teacher that they can actually talk to even with the mundane or kung ano-ano, even their love lives, problema sa mga boyfriend, girlfriend,
Right.
or wala boyfriend,
May
wala
consultation
girlfriend.
fee na din.
Libre. I would, there was even one student who said, may dates siya. Ko, excuse ka sa akong klase. Date to.
Supported by the dean. Ng
Yeah, so
class.
they think I'm somebody they can talk to about anything without me taking it against them or
Mhm.
judging them for it, even their, mga personal things. But ang wala nila nabalaan is if during class and their output is below standard, even if pinakapaborito taka nga estudyante in terms of interpersonal relationship naton, you will fail. If fail tagid ka. And
Damo na sila din.
they didn't know that about me before. So abi nila, auto pass kay
Uh-huh.
mayuhay ta.
Mayuhay ta.
But nakibot lang sila tanan nga mas damo pa ko failure sa mga ginakadlo kanila. Mas damo pa nag-fail sa akong class because I think I'm not doing it for anything else but for them.
Correct. Better in law school rather than the bar.
And
Diba?
in life.
And in life.
actual practice.
Correct. Nami na siya. Actually, din, sa nag-teach man ko sa una, wala ko yaga pang lagbong. Kaya hambal ko, minor, man lang yung subject na gina-teach ko, mga major subject na ng mga lagbong sa inyo. Pero kaya mo na, it's for them.
Yes,
Actually, it's for them.
sa first year ko attorney niya, I was teaching a major subject and a subject na minor, elective. Pero damo ko pa cases, kasi syempre kung bago ka mga maestra, ga overcompensate ka, blay, gusto mo
Passionate, grabe pang
passionate, and you also want to establish your role nga, estudyante ka mo, teacher ko.
Correct.
May distansya or lain ko yasang sa inyo, we're not
Correct.
same. So, damo ko assignment. So, gambal na sila na yun nga. Major subject, ang feelings, ang elective. Damo na.
Grabe no, may elective. Ano na siya mga elective subong din sa law school? Isang
Electives.
time na mo, wala kami pa ya mga elective.
So, sa Juris Doctor
Juris
program,
Doctor.
ang electives then were Information Technology Law,
Okay.
Gender and the Law. Now, we have the Master of Legal Studies, Juris Doctor. It's still the same electives, pero depende man sa school, pwede ka ka-introduce mga specialized fields like competition law,
Grabe, no?
intellectual property law.
Actually, bala, no, ang subong ng mga kabataan, doon ba ko hala, kung subong pa lang ko guro mag-law school, mabudlayan, gid ko, kay grabe na ang scope, no? Kami LLB pa lang kami
Yes,
before, so Juris Doctor na, tapos may mga cyber law, may kadamo, and of course, ang ara na ang cyber, mga AI.
Yes,
And,
attorney. Yes.
sige, before we go into that, kay mamangkot man ko sa uli, mga party sa AI,
Mm-mm.
mamangkot ko na si Modin. Can a woman truly have it all? Or is that a myth?
It depends on what is the all
Correct.
for the woman.
Correct.
So, pwede kang, you're a woman and your all is just a happy family life and a career you are passionate about and a faith with your creator that is strong enough to lead you through all the adversities of life. But if you're a woman who desires fame, fortune, and everything else, probably you won't have it all.
Correct.
So the all is relative.
Kanami, sa answer ni Dean, the all is relative.
Relative, oo.
Really
If you
depends
think
on
that's
who
your
you
all.
are, no? Kanami. Sige. Another crispy question, Dean.
Grabe, nagiging
Ari ha.
crispiness.
Makadto ta sa love.
Okay, sige.
Ako na siya mga crispy dyan, no?
Yes.
So, what was the best love advice you ignored? Ang gin-ignore mo ya din, ang wala mo balagin pamatian, and then na-realize mo siya na, ay, tani, gin pamatian ko itong love advice.
Well, this may be unconventional. I have always been the person who gives advice on love.
Actually,
Yeah, not the one who receives advice. Or probably I don't listen at all to advice from others. But I grew up learning about love from the actual circumstances around me.
Nga katab, ang experiential.
Yeah, experiential. So I have not actually ignored any advice. Yeah, I have not
Pero
ignored.
sige, if wala, kay actually, miyara, magina, no? Sometimes in a group of friends or mga colleagues mo man, miyara, niya tao, nga daw siya, ginadalaganan, per me. So, I think, ako man sa amon barkada, daw ako man na ginadlaga naman ko na. Usually, wala, kaya ginatagaan,
Yes.
yes. Ikaw gahatag. Pero sige din, kaya naanad ang maghatag advice. So, perhaps we can address siguro sa mga law students mo. So, sometimes we give advice, bar tips, etc. Pero love be for the law students.
Okay, what I tell my law students are, well, I only got this also. I heard this. This was affirmed by Justice Sereno when she came.
Diba? May Supreme Court.
Yeah, when she came and she said, Amone, you are young and you want, you know, successful careers and all, but ang hambal niya, make sure na it's not just about career. Also find time for love.
Correct.
Amo ginayahambal
na ni
Justice Sereno. Oo. Find time for love. Hindi nga mga fur babies ang ginahatagan yung attention or whatever. But kabalo ka nga kamo law students, meaning you are in a position of at least financially, at genetically, mga alam kamo, na-expose kamo, you should be the kind of persons nga mag-reproduce. I mean, bring out more people into this world because you can afford to give them education, give them a good life.
Kagnaming genes.
Yes, kagnami ang genes. Because otherwise, atong mga wala kay eskwela, sila mag-produce like 10 people. So that's the next generation. So, in sakto, siling ko, so I tell my law students, you can have a successful law career and a spectacular love life at the same time.
Can we repeat that? You can have a successful law career and have a spectacular
love
life.
At the
diba?
same time.
Diba? From the Dean na supported by Justice Sereno.
Oo, and she affirmed that. Ang bakuti.
Diba? Sige, Dean. If you weren't a law dean or a lawyer, ano feeling mo din ang career na makapalipay? Sige, let me rephrase my question. Have you always wanted to be a lawyer?
Yes. As far back as I can remember.
Diba?
Grade probably 1 or
Because
earlier.
What was your influence?
I have been telling him this, si Attorney Renesito Novero.
Ay, wow.
I went to a Bible Baptist school, Faith Christian Academy, and he was always one of our speakers.
With the deep voice.
Yeah, during recognition. So he would be introduced as a lawyer. And he is my concept, and he was the earliest concept of a lawyer for me.
So gusto mong get.
Kanami-nami maghambal. When he speaks, everybody listens. He captures an audience. He inspires. So, when I see him in court, I would tell him, you were my concept of a lawyer.
You're the reason.
Nga nag-lawyer
diba?
ko.
So, shout out, Landa Galian.
He knows that.
Novero.
He knows that. He is
happy.
happy.
Lang maimbitahan si Attorney Novero.
Okay. He would always be our visitor. Sa gamay pa kami, mga prep, Attorney Renesito Novero, he would, command attention.
So, kanami, amo na nga kita, now na kita, gaano man, ta subong ara man ta sa career, kumbaga, man ta sa spotlight sa career ta subong, we must be mindful of how we carry ourselves. Kaya there are children watching us, and you will never know, may maka-inspire ka man nga grade, mga elementary nga, gusto ko man mag-lawyer because nakita ko si Dean Law.
Doon muna siya kanami, gali.
Diba?
That's why everybody is always watching.
Kabudlay man no. Sige lang with great, lampit na lang na siya gali show yun na dugay yung Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. So, motherhood as it sounds, tuod gid siya. Sige, since we're talking about being a lawyer, naglabot na ta din nga nagpractice ta. Actually,
but dali lang, I want to answer your question about if I were not a lawyer, what would
Ay, sorry.
I be?
O, kita mo lang. O, sige din. If you were not a
Okay.
lawyer, ano tani ang second?
Ang kurso ko is mass communication. So I would have been writing or also like probably in media, journalism, broadcasting. But if I were not a lawyer, I would also really be into teaching. No, nga ma-teach gid ko yan. Nanamian gid ko mag-mess.
Grabe. Ako bala, believe gid ko sa nanamian mag-teach. In the first place, personally, ang akong tingog, doon di ko gid siya kaya long hours. Dasig ko mapaos. So, pero ang teachers, grabe. Amo, di ba, istoryahan na itana nung ipahuway mo na lang gid.
Iugtas mo pa.
Ipahuway mo na lang gid. I-check mo pa papers. Ako na. So, grabe. And of course, there comes the activities of the students.
Yeah, may.
And whether you like it or not, you are entangled in their personal lives. Kasi syempre, to a certain extent, second parent kagid nila.
Yes,
Most of these students actually, they really look up to their teachers to give them advice. Kaya most of them wala maning parents, no, are abroad and so on. So, how about being a dean? Have you already marked that as like a dream? Ma-lawyer ko, gusto ko, since I love teaching, gusto ko man mag-dean.
Never.
Never?
Honestly, never.
So how did you take that invitation from our dear alma mater?
Yeah, never. It was never in my, bucket list or things I
Dream board.
I may be doing one day. It wasn't. How did I take it? Because there was a progression, Attorney Nea. I was invited first to become academic advisor and then associate dean. But I was thinking that deanship would be like 3, 4, 5 years down the line. But it came a year and a half later. Earlier than
expected.
Yes.
Than projected.
Kasi syempre, Mambal, if you accept the associate dean position, understandably,
Yes.
mad-dean ka, batunon mo, hindi ka
Yes.
Mambal, pag dean mo na, hindi ka.
Oo.
But it came so much earlier lang than I thought it would. So medyo, in the first few months, wala pa ako ng isa katuig. I'm still in the adjustment stage. No?
And I know personally, si Dean Law, before all that, she's very busy with litigation. Grabe na yung iya caseload. And she has, grabe, hindi na lang ako mag-mention, sang kalibre, sang clients ni Dean Law. So makita ko na parehos ta dinong aton nga aton balay. Kita mo damo, binada, may mga extra nga blazer, tanan-tanan. So dira ka na lang ga-star, dira ka man gatulog, may ulunan. So, sako ka na nga daan, and then, syempre, when you accept deanship, to a certain extent, nga ang imo litigation, maapektuhan gid.
Yes.
So, how were you able to balance all of that demands of your schedule?
Before pa ko binagdin, Attorney Nea, if it's something about LaSalle or the teaching position that I have, I would easily drop everything or anything I'm doing and prioritize it. Yes. So, I took in associates. And they're helping me. They're helping me with the caseload. And I have also been more selective na kung ano naging lang man ang batunon.
Ako, I personally vouch sa expertise ni Dean Law sa taking care of a client. Kay kami, client niya gid kami. So, if hindi pwede mag-advertise. Pero I can personally vouch nga Dean Law is not only a great and amazing dean, but a good lawyer. One of those nga. Basta.
Speaking from a client's perspective.
Speaking from a client's perspective. So,
Thank you,
hindi na siya yung Gina or ma-chet-chet. So, ang tsakto nga abogado, ang nami nga abogado, ma-shine lang na iya. Kag ang testimony and an advertisement will come from the clients.
Oo, duga of views na ang ating mutual admiration sa isang isa.
Mutual admiration society.
It's already showing.
So, wala mo kuya, she always knows nga I'm a fan of Dean Law. Kag gina siya nga ma-MCLE lecturer.
Yeah, she's my discoverer.
Ako na iya manager.
Yeah, that's why. How can I say no to you? I have not said no to you ever.
Sige, since we also know that Dean Law is an MCLE lecturer, how different is giving an MCLE lecture ang estudyante mo, yung mga fellow lawyers versus ang mga students mo yan sa everyday classes mo.
You placed me in that position. You placed me in that position of having the challenging task of lecturing.
I was your student at that time.
Okay.
Kung bagi ko yan. Nami. Si Dean Law mag-teach.
For whatever it is, Attorney Nia, that we get ourselves into, just like you and me, siguro, that's why we so like each other. Because we prepare, we do not, hindi tayo che because, amon abala, we really give quality, or we really value what we do, so that before we go out into the world and, say anything, sigurado, do mo na bala. So, you can just imagine how hard I studied when the audience are all these judges, prosecutors, ang ibang teachers ko, ang ibang students ko nga graduate na. So, you placed me in that position. I survived. I got invited another time.
Diba?
So,
and nag-shine ka gidya din. As in, wala na yan, check.
Oo, thank you.
So proud, manager here. Sige din. Looking at the students right now in LaSalle, no? Looking at them, observing them, are you worried or are you excited?
I'm not worried. I'm really excited.
That's good.
This July, we started classes last June 22.
Mm-hmm.
So, sunod-sunod na ang mga activities, Attorney Nia. May mga assembly, freshman orientation. I really realized, mabatian mo mga estudyante ha, those who are new, current students, graduate na nga mga alumni nga bago lang kapasar sa bar. I had that realization nga, listening to them, this is really where I want to be. Kay the stories of how they survived and thrived and succeeded, bala nga hindi gali hapos para sa tanan sa ila. Kung kisa wala ta kabalo, abita hapos lang kaduan or i-achieve ang isa ka bagay, but with everything that's happening in their lives of our students, grabe gali na they have to go through a lot to get to where they are. So, I am excited for these students, kay, like even in our General Assembly, grabe mga effort nila, Attorney Nia, in presenting the organizations,
That's nice.
in what their plans are for the year. Kanami na namian, did ko excited, did ko for them. And I told them, I'm really proud of each one of you.
That despite the non-conventional backdrop subong sa society, with all the problems of anxiety, violence, and so on. So, we keep the excitement and we keep everything hopeful. Di ba din recently nag-cancel ang mga classes?
Yes, sa LaSalle for a supposed threat by one student against some other students.
But how are we, ang mga administrators, ang mga mga leaders sa LaSalle, how are we dealing with these kinds of threats?
Well, kung amo na be Attorney Nia, if there is information about that, LaSalle and the administrators have to really act on it. Otherwise, what if it's true?
Correct.
Though the cancellation of a class is something that we can afford to do
rather than correct.
Lose a life or lose lives
correct.
Or amo na.
So far, ano man lang, threat man lang.
Yeah, I think
are
it's
we
really
able
nothing
to trace
serious. Yes. The administration is tracing and are already doing
strategic because former Dean Ralph is the VCA. Legal minds gidya ang naga-lead sa mga administration sa LaSalle. No? So,
that's what
shout out Dean Ralph. Hello.
Hi, Dean Ralph. Attorney, when there's a cancellation nga ara da si Dean Ralph, I am confident nga well thought out, bala nga hindi ni siya premature or overacting or whatever.
Pero kanami lang actually isang law school family, no? And, well, we are recording this July 18, kagabi, alumni, acquaintance party sang law school. So, shout out lang da kay Dean Ralph. I think ginhaboy na naman.
Ginaboy siya sa pool. After
ginaboy na naman si Dean Ralph sa pool. Pero si Dean Law, wala.
Wala. Because, I
may
told
caveat.
them, bag o ribad ang buhok ko. Kung mabasa,
Tapos may hashtag kung anong mga pwede i-akusar sa ilang mga crimes. So, mayo gid kinamatic ka mo, no?
Wala gid sila nagtandog sa akon.
Ay, nako. Pero ako din, no? I'm trying to observe the students before and now. Kamusta ang values and virtues subong sa mga students ta sang time ta when we were in law school and now that we have so much at our plate?
Well, values, kita ko man ang aton ng mga estudyante, no? The family values, their respect for their parents,
Aragid.
their love for their family, their commitment to their relationships. Kita ko man, attorney. It's just that we really have to understand siguro na from a generation and another generation, they cannot be just like us, no? In the same way that we cannot be just like our parents or
correct.
grandparents. The values and virtues, yes, but it's complicated now.
Diba?
Grabe. They have more information than sa una. Kung ano lang hambal sa nanay mo, amo na na iya, patihan mo na.
Subong yung overstimulated kasi
Yes.
ang tanan.
Subong.
Tapos social media.
Yes,
grabe.
attorney. Well, the values, makita ko of respect, love for family, or ara. But it's complicated. Mo ginta dapat i-deal. There has to be
many
more.
stimuli.
Yeah.
So amo to blas hamba mo performative ang akong gakabatian ko dali lang gid attorney overstimulated ko so mamuyong ko anay so may mga term nga overstimulated so
Yes.
kay there's just so many things going on no with even climate change up to violence good
Yes.
bilang may mama shooting.
Yes.
Sige, so Dean, can I ask a question about mga recent issues
Sige.
like siguro ang nagtatak gid sa aton recently is ang death to bala sang isa ka basketball player no sa Ateneo hazing controversy no that was Rene Baterbon.
Yes.
So there were talks around how Ateneo handled the controversy. So were you able to follow that, Dean? And please, may I ask for
Sige.
your opinion about that issue?
Sige. Na-follow ko gina siya. In fact, it happened on the same exact night that Ateneo Law School was celebrating its 90th year anniversary. On that same night. Tapos ang bako siguro, over-advise because the treatment of Ateneo was too legalistic.
Yeah.
No, do not make any statements, otherwise it will be admissions.
Correct.
Or muna. So, diba,
Wala. Do kalawig.
Yes.
In head-on address nilang.
Yes. There has to be a face to begin with because that is it's not just about the death of one athlete, Attorney Nea. It's about how a poor four-piece boy, through talent, emerged and, excelled in sports and was able to get an Ateneo education, not just education, but somehow be able to provide for the family at the same time. So,
barely a week to siya Barely a week in
do 8
Ateneo.
days pa lang siya nagabot. Do ka namlam siya issues. Nga, it's not just about the legal implication of the death. No, kung sino ang liable, is it reckless imprudence, is it hazing, is it na.
So that brings us to the issue of no matter how we practice, no matter where we are in our law practice, we should not forget ang human side of every situation.
Yes.
You have to put a face on it.
Yes.
Hindi na siya sila nga madala mo lang sa technicalities.
Yes.
No? Tiyan mo man na siya subong nga katabo no, sa impeachment.
Yes.
Can I ask this?
Yes, again.
Impeachment. Well,
Yes.
the law school has always been, wala na yan may ginapanigan.
Yes.
Also,
Yes.
of course, the IBP, no? Non-partisan, gito
Yes.
dapat. But, right now, since everything is public, live na yan, so do nagiging mock classroom,
Yes.
ang bilog nga nagalantaw, dira. So, as you have observed the impeachment proceedings, Dean Law, may nakita ka balay, if any, nga do misconception or mga markers sa mga how the hearing is going na dapat tandaan ta nga it's not supposed to be that case or with regard to a particular legal concept, Abe, if any lang,
Yeah.
if any?
Nabatian ko man lang. I share the same opinion that impeachment proceedings, di ba, we call it in law school a sui generis. It's not your usual criminal
Yes,
case, it's not
yes.
your usual civil case, but now it appears that it's being handled like a criminal case. Grabing objection nanay when even in criminal proceedings, when the judge is admitted or overruled, amo na. So we are actually treating it as a criminal.
Yes.
When we are not going to convict and send her to prison naman.
Yes,
It's really about fitness
for
for
public office.
public office. So amo na. And about impeachment, on the first day of the impeachment, I followed it, attorney. Ang isa na ka-danger man is some lawyers there are really just grandstanding.
Yes, kasad, no? Amo na siya nakita ko man.
Took it as an opportunity to grandstand.
Yun.
Amo.
Dason ang akon, pagid nga na, Dino, tani simplihon ta lang.
Mm-mm.
Amo na siya. No, it's supposed to be just about the fitness.
Yes.
Tapos, we hope na ang iban nga mga, those in robes, would act as judges man, no, nga hindi man bala sila nga makita mo gid, no, kung di na,
Yeah.
ma-stop na ko.
Yeah.
Kaya kasi,
You want to go there?
ma-stop na ko. Sige, next question. Alam ko lang,
mag-go
hindi
there,
na.
but
Sige. So, impeachment. So,
Mm.
wala ta. We have no choice but to wait
yes.
and pray and not give up on the Philippines we love.
Yes,
Iba na.
attorney.
So, ginapasa Diyos ta na.
Sa impeachment, before we move on to some other topic, I just heard this from one of the lawyers for the prosecution,
Mhm.
private lawyers. Na how was the performance of the prosecution? How was the performance of the defense? What was the reaction of the public? Nami bala ang presentation sa prosecution, were they good? Ang
Mhm.
defense, were they bad? Were they good? Did they commit a blunder? Ang point niya, which I am also sharing the point, is let's just be happy when people either hate us or love us in that proceedings, because at that point, meaning they care. Ang problemahon ta when apathy is or indifference is already, ang bahala na kamunda.
Yes.
Anyway, we don't believe that justice will be served there anymore, or amo na.
That is a nice perspective.
Yeah, so as long as people
Care.
are commenting, criticizing, meaning we still care.
Yeah.
Di ba, bisan sa personal, tama ba? Labot ko man sa
Oo.
inyo.
Pero kadamo na actually tao sa mga ba, ay, di na kami na mamati, kaya mo man na dyan.
Yeah. May
May apathy na gid,
Yes,
may
attorney.
indifferent.
That's why. Let us not be indifferent
Yes.
sa amusin na. Let's
Yes.
still hope. Let's still not lose hope naman. But admittedly, part of me says it's just about the numbers. If it's 16, then they don't have a numbers. Then we're just going through the motion of
we're
and then-
wasting so much
in
time
the
and
end,
budget.
Yes. But I am still hopeful na we as a people, if we listen, if we comment, if we criticize, our senator judges would feel the sentiment of the people that they are supposed to represent.
Correct.
Daw dira lang lang.
So let's not stop being vigilant.
yes.
Kay para kabalo sila nga galantaw.
Galantaw.
Hindi sila kapagusto.
Oo.
Although may kapagusto man Japon, pero at least, 'di ba, do ka at your own peril, the people
Yes.
will speak during
Yes.
election time.
Yes.
Okay.
attorney.
Now, another hot topic, artificial intelligence.
Okay.
I know Dean Law is, of course, she teaches cyber law. no?
Yes.
So,
yes. attorney.
ang balbi nila, Dean, delikado ko, no? There is a palpable danger
Mm-mm.
sa AI. In fact, I heard a little podcast about it
Mm-mm.
na there is a chance na amo na siya kuno ma-destroy sa humanity. I think, dystopian view na siya yan, no? Pero, where are we, Dean, as far as you know, Lambidino? Are we setting up ethical standards for AI use in the Philippines?
Yeah.
Are we there yet, Dean?
That's our problem in the Philippines. Other countries have already started to impose or craft and then execute or implement regulations for the use of AI.
Kita wala.
Sa ato, wala lang, free for all lang. I have a student who works in a technology company
Mhm.
sa law school man. And she said niya, grabe, na yan din ang regulations in each and every other country, China, Europe, and US.
Oo.
Kita lang diya nga, we are given AI and then we're free what to do with it.
So, kadelikado. In fact, the Philippines, isa siya sa mga pinaka-prolific internet users. May statistics gina. And yet, wala pa ta.
Yes. Yes.
Tisin mo man na dabing malabi for that. Kaya ang mga ang aton nga Congress busy.
I-shout out si Attorney Giselle Batapasige because she has made it her life, you know.
Isa man sa mga, mga local heroes no? Attorney Giselle Batapasige.
Shout out to her because it's just...
DICT, former DICT chair. So, grabe, no? So, I think, it's one of her advocacies.
Mabungol kagit siya. She has all these, concepts, already policies written for AI governance. Though, may mamamati sa iya na local governments, but we should listen to her more, I think.
Because ara na it could result to obliteration of jobs, clerical jobs, etc. So kadamo sang gahambal subong nga it's wiser not to bear children kuno kaysa ulihi wala na sila kuno ubra mga muna. So I don't know, again dystopian views,
that's
but
the extreme.
we have to remain vigilant, hindi ta bala mag-complacent lang. So dapat may standards gid. May standards gani wala na nagasunod, how much more kung wala. No, sige, let's move on din sa recent man nga Tacloban mass shooting.
Okay.
So, sang una, din uso niya sa guwak.
Oo.
Ari na ya sa aton. And it struck, as in surprising everyone in Tacloban. So, grabe. Tapos, minors. So, they themselves, they know na hindi sila pwede ipresuhon.
Yeah, that's the information that is available. And ang information that available, they can like research on it without supervision, interpret it on their own.
So, paano na siya ihandin how can schools actually try to help solve this growing concern about mass shootings? And also, para man sa mga aton parents, nga mapanatag, man sila bala nga, I think we need to remove the misconception nga kung minor ka, makapalagyo ka lang. So, let's answer first din ang how we can help solve that.
Let me start that by sharing. I have a son who is like 20 years old now. When he was younger, syempre we would, in the course of our lives, we would entertain, ma-migrate kita, or amo na bala sa family, kabuday din sa Pilipinas, amo na. And then I would ask him, ma-migrate ta sa Amerika, amo na, ba siya, hindi ko to yan. Nga, hindi ka. May mass shooting to.
Yes.
Like,
then now it's here.
Oh no, hindi tato, then it's here. And
it's here.
Tacloban is to think nga, hindi man siya gani ka very urban, no? It's a rural, Ang sa ako, attorney, my take on that is, our society is really, the basic unit is really the family.
Correct. I agree.
We are, the condition of the family is, will reflect the condition of a society, of a community, and of a nation. So, ang akunda is, without dreaming or without pointing the blame, each and every parent should be asking himself or herself, what have I done to that this child of mine has become like this? So, bisan ako, I am also a parent. Attorney, ng hapos na lang pabantayan mo bala
pabantayan sa
mo sa
tablet.
Cellphone mo or mo na bala nga
pabantayan sa tablet.
Parapay mo yung patanawan na lang na.
Because parents are having a hard time man bala making a living.
Yes, correct na. So karon amo na. But it really goes back to the family, attorney. Instead of us saying that the school should put up all the security measures, no, it's you spending so much more time with your child, inculcating the values that they should possess. Because that person, when he goes out of your house, whatever you have taught him or her, amo na gina siya attorney ang iadalon dira.
So it goes back to the family.
Yes.
And
Sa
speaking
family.
of family, no, so I would like to ask our Honorable Dean to address our law students, of course, in LaSalle. At the same time, tanan nga law students din sa Philippines. So, mangayo, kami din advise sa imo nga para mahapos ang ilang nga pagkuha sang bar. Ano ang ila dapat ginaubra
bar tips.
from day one?
Okay. Ako be, I feel that bar review or preparing for the bar starts really from the first day of law
Correct.
school. Or kung sang mas gamay ka pa, basa ka na itong daan
Oo.
as earlier as at the earliest possible
Possible.
chance that you, baka I want to be a lawyer. So, isan guro, mga sultiro, ano ka pa da guro, mga college ka pa da guro, you can start reading.
Kung may
Ano
silo
na.
man, may
Yeah,
college
yes,
law
yeah,
man.
amo na. So, ang ako na is, it starts from the first day of law school
Mhm.
or earlier even. And ang problema sa aton ng mga kabataan subong with AI is everything is easy. Di ba kita, we had to read the entire...
We had to take the scra and then bit-bito na namon sa photocopier kag mapa-photocopy ka na.
So, it's the... Kung ato ka sa balay mo, you cannot even study. Kaya wala ka man yung scra sa balay mo.
Yes.
You have to go, you have to find the scra, number, page.
But I think that inculcated a certain discipline sa
Yes.
generation namon no nga mga budlay kagid.
Yes.
Hindi
oo.
siya bala fast information.
So, attorney, they have it now. They have it easy now.
They have it easy.
Which means we can expect so much more from them.
we can expect so
Oo.
much more from you because you have AI, no?
Yes. Yes, pwede nga mambal. Ang aton, bisang una, we were given bit 20 cases for that evening. Ti isa-isahon ta pa na to ya. Ano
Yes.
niya? Amo na, sila ya, they can be anywhere.
Make a case digest
Yes.
for Haveliana versus
Oh.
Executive
So,
Secretary.
that makes
Sa
it
moment
so
Japon.
easier for them. So, we should be expecting so much more from them.
And they should check because AI hallucinates.
Yes. So, ang ako, just a few days ago, nahabal ko sa akong mga estudyante. You can have your digest through AI, but if you want to separate yourselves from each and every person outside who has access to ChatGPT, you read the cases in their full text because that is the only distinction you have as a law student
Yes.
from each and every other student who also will make the same prompt in the same AI that is available to everybody.
Yes. So, grabe na subong because how to be outstanding now includes being set apart from an AI product.
Yes.
So, grabe.
Oo, mga AI.
AI.
So, di ba kita mismo duda mas it doesn't
Oo,
you
ano
don't
ka?
speak like
Yeah.
that. Why do
Diba?
you write like that?
Diba? Pero you know what? I think it will help the students, kamo nga mga students nga ga-aspire to be lawyers, no? Ginabuligan nyo yung lawas nyo kung wala ka mo ga-rely
Yes.
sa AI.
Yes.
Because
attorney Nia.
at the end of the day, when you take the bars, ang una kami, my ball pen and I, amo lang
Yeah.
gitna, subong niya your laptop and you, wala na daya AI. So if naanad ka, so you should be able to answer the bar on your own.
And ang isa ko man nakatip, minahambal-hambal sila permi attorney niya. The fastest way to pass the bar is the hard way.
Correct.
Kinahanglan, mabatyagan mo nga ginabudlayan ka, nga nagapangabudlay ka. Because if it's just easy, most likely you will not pass the bar.
Correct.
So, makuha ka liwat. So, makuha ka another time. Then now, nagdugay ang imo journey to
Correct.
becoming a lawyer. But, subong pa lang, mabatyagan mo nga kabudlay, mabatyagan mo ang tanan niya sacrifices that you have to make just to prepare yourself for the bar. So, amo na siya. That's the fastest way ang ako niya ginambal siya. It should be the hard way.
There is no substitute for hard work.
Yes.
Thomas Edison.
Amo,
Sige,
get
Dean,
attorney.
may I invite you to also tell our viewers where you're going? Mapa-Europe
Ay,
ka mo,
wow,
di ba, Dean?
grabe.
Ma-congratulate man kami sa amon, Animo LaSalle College of Law.
Yes.
So, what's this milestone for us, Dean?
Bali, 3 of our motors, they qualified for the international oral rounds
Imagine.
of the
Congratulations.
Nuremberg International Humanitarian Law moot court competition.
So, congratulations, no? Grabe. Who is the coach of the
Of
team?
course. Si Dean Ralph Sarmiento.
Dean Ralph Sarmiento, another shout out. Sige lang kayo kung mag-invite. Kung di kay Dean Ralph, maduet lang kami
Oo.
yan.
Oo, kama
Dean
baka.
Ralph?
So, in the Philippines, duwa lang ang will join. There are just 40 teams
Wow.
all over the world. Diri from the LSU nga law school and kita.
Wow, congratulations. And we wish you all the best. Kabay pa, you'll bring home the bacon.
Oo, kabay pa.
Dean,
Na-pressure ko na
at
to
the
say.
end of the day, what grounds you?
I
Sa
am
kasako. Sometimes you don't sleep. 8 hours is a luxury. Ano ang nag-ground sa isa ka Dean Rodoro Law at the end of the day?
Wow. Sige. What grounds me to on, no? I have a very strong family relationship with
That's
I grew up attorney not affluent but I always felt like I am the princess in my own house. So, amo na bala, that completes me. So once I go home, I forget everything else nga
It is a blessing
Yeah,
to have a strong family.
judgments or did I do well, palpa ko to sa amo ni, hindi ito mayang amo ko ni. I just go home and everybody there like accepts me for who I am, faults and all.
The unconditional love of a family.
Of a family. That what
Amo gina ang
grounds me.
importante gid sa tanan. So Dean, how do you wish to be remembered?
As somebody who does her best, whatever it is. It may be the pinakasimpleng obra, wala reward,
Wala
or
bearing,
wala
or-
bearing, or wala. But if it is placed before me and it is my work to do, it is the most important job in the world for me.
So, Grabe na giniya, guys. So, amo na siya, no? I hope we can learn from what Dean Law said. If anything is worth doing, kuno, you better do it na lang gid with all your might and with all your best. So, out of time na ta. Gusto ko
Out
pagin
of
natin
time
magchika.
na.
Pero before kami mag-end, mapabalo lang kami ng amon, gali mothers. Igahay man.
Igahay. To the point, niyang ilang memories would be, nagpaligo sila sa amo ni nga
Sa suba.
suba.
Sang may suba pa, kay subong dry na mga
Mag-dry
suba.
na suba sa sila.
Ay, nako. So, Dean, again, I would like to thank you for gracing our little podcast room, our
Yes.
crispy conversations with your presence. Very genuine and very inspiring. So, may-ari, kung di din jutay lang nga token, ginkuha, ari
Wow.
sa dalo.
Si Atty.
So, this is a book nga, hamba ko, anong ihatag? O kay Dean, kay Duka, hindi kuya gusto nga logbook. So, Dean, this is a very nice book nga I hope maka-inspire man sa imo. Surprise na lang. siya, Dean.
Sige, Atty.
So, amo na, I always say in Crispy Conversations that every person has a beautiful story. Kag isa ni siya sa pinakanami na nabasahan ko sa akong life. So, thank you very much, Dean, for, it is not necessarily a novel, pero namian gid ko ni Dean kag naka-help gini siya sa akon.
Thank you,
Especially sa
Atty.
finances.
Ay, sige, yan lang.
Sa finances. So, I hope that it will help
Thank you,
you.
Atty.
I hope when you do that, adding that to your library, you will remember our crispy conversations.
Yes, Atty.
after.
Thank you, Gil.
So, thank you very much, and we wish you all the best. And we can't wait to hear more milestones for the University of St. Asal College of Law. So, thank you again, Dean Law, and goodbye, everyone. And we hope to see you once again in our next episode of NQA Crispy Conversations. Bye! Thank you! Hi mga ka-Crispies! This is your sign to like, share, follow, and subscribe all our social media channels for NQA Law Firm and NQA Crispy Conversations in Facebook, Spotify, YouTube, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. See you there!